Again, the communication, I don't need to say too much about that other than the first thing that came out of Nick's words in the UK was half this program is communicating, half of it is doing. So sometimes I think at an organizational level, for me at a project manager level, if things seem to be going off the rails a little bit, I always think I don't think I've been communicating enough, and you've got to get back on the meeting circuit and presentation circuit and email circuit and asking your champions out there to start, talking about releasing time to care, because we're all busy and there's lots of things going on. Transparency is really good as well. I mean, I report to our senior management team maybe once every 3 or 4 months on releasing time to care, and I go up there and say, geez, this is what's not working, really transparent about what's not going well and what's going well as well. Because nobody wants to do a program that's not working for your region, So you need to be really transparent. Anticipate the constraints of your organization. I think that's really important too. When you're asking a bunch of other support services to come on and help on a particular unit, for our QHR, typically we don't work in rapid cycle improvement. It's foreign to us. Our culture is not to phone someone up and they rush up and put a shelf up for you. I don't know if anyone else has any better success with that. So even getting people to understand that, understanding that that's the only way the program works, but at the same time really respecting what's going on in their world as well in terms of the support or the constraints that they have in their own world, their own maintenance, or in pharmacy or in the IT world as well. So even before, we're starting 3 new units in January, well, I'm already talking with all the support services in our organizations that I know need to support those new units, so they can start to kind of get it on their books to know we're doing the well-organized ward on 6F in January, and what's that going to look like in terms of how we can organize that through our workspace, our work plan. So, being just respectful of what's going on. Sometimes we need that shelf up there and it didn't get up there in a week, and there's really good reasons why, so we need to be respectful of that. So really understanding our organization as a system, and that we can get really caught up in our little unit and making improvements, but we have to look at the bigger picture. Sharing our